Robotic Duct Cleaning. Airside Balancing and Performance Testing. Animations and Graphics by Arvind Avan. Subject Matter Expert, Trainer, and Content Writer. OSHRI, Guidance on Acceptable Levels of Indoor Air Pollutants. IAQ in an air-conditioned building refers to the quality of the indoor air that occupants breathe in a building that is equipped with air conditioning, AC, systems. Good IAQ in an air-conditioned building means that the air is free from harmful pollutants, odors, and irritants, and that it is comfortable and conducive to occupant health and well-being. OSHRI provides guidance on acceptable levels of indoor air pollutants to help ensure good indoor air quality, IAQ, for building occupants. Here are some details on the guidance provided by OSHRI for some common indoor air pollutants. 1. Carbon dioxide, CO2. OSHRI recommends that the concentration of CO2 in indoor air not exceed 1,000 parts per million, ppm, above outdoor levels. The outdoor concentration of CO2 is typically around 400 ppm, so this means that indoor levels should not exceed 1,400 ppm. Higher levels of CO2 can cause drowsiness, headaches, and reduced cognitive function. The negative effects of dirty AC ducts on IAQ can be significant. For example, the accumulation of dirt and debris can restrict airflow, which can cause the HVAC system to work harder and less efficiently. This can lead to higher energy bills and increased wear and tear on the system. To address the issue of dirty AC ducts and maintain good IAQ, it is important to have the ducts cleaned regularly by a qualified professional. This involves using specialized equipment to remove the dirt and debris from the ducts without damaging the HVAC system. By keeping the AC ducts clean, a building can maintain good IAQ and ensure the health and comfort of its occupants. Explore our 100% animated, 100% voiceover in English and Hindi, 100% industry aligned, 100% made in India, with creative graphics in 17 multimedia courses, in a wide range of HVAC topics and home appliances. No Google stuff. Contact us, world leaders in multimedia contents and trainings, on https://sbgblv.com, or mail to info@skolenberg.com.